Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your taskbar is not hiding in full screen mode on Windows 10. So if you're having problems and you're trying to view videos or whatnot, and unfortunately the taskbar down at the bottom of your screen is not disappearing when you increase the video to the full size of your monitor, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to jump into it, and we're going to start by right-clicking on the taskbar and then left click on Task Manager. If your Task Manager view looks small in a small little box like this, left click on the More Details button right at the bottom. And now you want to go and locate Windows Explorer. So just type the letter W on the left side here. So if you're going to be in this page, just left click on the name category on any of these names, doesn't really matter, and just start typing Windows Explorer. You can also just scroll down to find Windows Explorer, whichever you prefer. Once you have Windows Explorer right here, just left click on it one time and then left click on the restart button down here in the bottom right corner. This will restart Windows Explorer. Once you've done that, you should hopefully no longer have any issues related to that. So just hopefully this was able to resolve your problem. It might take a second before everything reappears, but it's not harmful in any way. It's all completely safe and legit. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do hope to catch you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.